In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best microwaves of 2024, along with insights to help you find your perfect match. Number 1. Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave. The Toshiba 7-in-1 boasts versatility as its champion. This microwave does it all, from baking and grilling to steaming and air frying. If you're looking to consolidate countertop appliances, this is a compelling option. However, be aware of potential trade-offs. With so many functions, mastery might take some practice, and the interior space may be slightly reduced compared to dedicated microwaves. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Countertop Microwave Oven. Hamilton Beach offers a budget-friendly option for those seeking a no-frills microwave. It delivers solid performance in reheating and basic cooking tasks. The downside, you won't find fancy features like sensor cooking or multi-stage programming here. But for those who prioritize simplicity and affordability, Hamilton Beach is a reliable choice. Number 3. Whirlpool Over-the-Range Microwave Oven. For those tight on counter space, Whirlpool's over-the-range option is a space-saving miracle. It doubles as a vent hood, clearing out cooking odors while freeing up valuable counter real estate. However, installation might require professional help, and the venting function can be noisy. Number 4. LG Built-in Microwave and Speed Oven. If you crave restaurant-quality results at home, LG's built-in microwave and speed oven might be your dream come true. This high-tech marvel combines microwave power with convection technology, allowing for faster and more even cooking. The downside? The price tag reflects its advanced features, making it a splurge for some. Number 5. Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven. Panasonic's Home Chef strikes a beautiful balance between functionality and value. It offers a generous capacity, sensor cooking for effortless reheating, and a built-in inverter for superior evenness. While it might not boast the bells and whistles of the LG option, it delivers exceptional performance for everyday kitchen tasks.